Dear students, we shall work out problem number 3 on accounting from incomplete records or single entry system. Please see problem number 3. From the following, calculate total sales. This question already appeared in the examination which carries 6 marks. Okay. Please see. Opening debtors 15,000 given, closing debtors 18,000, cash received from debtors and bills receivable 30,000. Okay, this transaction includes two items. First one, cash received from debtors and bill honored. Okay, bill honored. Number 4, opening bills receivable rupees 8,000. Point number 5, bills receivable received during the year 16,000. Number 6, closing bills receivable 10,000. Number 7, bad debts written off rupees 1,000. Point number 8, cash sales rupees 25,000. Completed. With this information, you have to compute total sales. You already know the formula. Total sales equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Okay. In the problem, cash sales given 25,000. You have to find out which one? Credit sales. To find out credit sales, you have to prepare total debtors account. Total debtors account prepare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ credit sale ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್, ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಆನರ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಯರ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? 30,000 ಒಟ್ಟು 30,000 ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಲ್ ಆನರ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಲ್ ಆನರ್ಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಎಸ್. Okay, first write down solution. Next, write down formula. Total sales equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Understand? Next, equal to 25,000 given in the problem plus question mark. Next, in the middle of the page, write down bills receivable account. Draw necessary column. Please write rupees in amounts column. Okay, you already know this one. Bills receivable account always shows a debit balance. Write down opening balance, to balance brought down, right in bracket, opening bill receivable. Okay, please see point number 4, opening bill receivable 8,000 given. Write down 8,000 in amount column. Completed. To balance brought down. Next, record items relating to bills receivable account. Bill receivable ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಐಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಂಬರ್ 3, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಆನರ್ಡ್. ಬಿಲ್ ಆನರ್ಡ್ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 16,000. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್. ವೆನ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟು ಸನ್ಡ್ರಿ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 16,000. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ 16,000 in amount column. Okay, next bill receivable over, closing bill receivable recorded at the end. Okay, ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಈ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬಿಲ್ ಆನರ್ಡ್. ವೆನ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಆನರ್ಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ cash account debtor to bills receivable account. Cash comes in, bill goes out. Understand? This is balancing figure. ಇದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ 30,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ ಆನರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಲ್ ಆನರ್ಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. Write down when bill honored entry, cash account debtor to bills receivable account. Write down credit side by cash, write in bracket bill honored, bracket nalli balancing figure anta entry ಮಾಡಿ. After that write down by balance carried down, write in bracket closing bill receivable. How much? Point number 6, closing bill receivable 10,000. Write down 10,000 by balance carried down. Completed? Yes, we recorded all things relating to bills receivable account. Find out which side shows more balance. Okay, debit side shows more balance. 8,000 plus 16,000, 24,000. Write in debit side. Next write in credit side 24,000. 24,000 minus 10,000. How much? 14,000. Completed. 14,000 recorded in credit side. Okay. Above closing balance, write down 14,000. Completed. By cash, bill receivable honored, balancing figure. Understand? Completed. Bills receivable account over. Next, in the middle of the page, write down total debtors account. Write in bracket to find out credit sales. Draw necessary column. Please write rupees in amounts column. Okay. You already know this one. Bills receivable account always shows debit balance. Understand? First write down opening balance as 2 balance brought down. Given in the problem, opening debtor 15,000. Write down 2 balance brought down 15,000. Write in bracket opening debtors. Completed. Next, please see problem. Closing debtors recorded at the end. Okay, leave it. Next point number 3, cash received from debtors and bills receivable 30,000. Okay, we have to record this entry. Cash received from debtors. When cash received from debtors, cash account debtor to debtors account. Okay, we credited debtors account. Write in credit side. Okay, write down by cash account received from debtors. Okay, in the problem 30,000 given. 30,000 alli bill honored saha ide. Sariya? Please see bills receivable account credit side by cash bill receivable honored 14,000. Okay, you have to deduct 14,000 from 30,000. Okay, if you deduct 14,000 from 30,000, remaining balance is considered as cash received from debtors. How much? 16,000. Okay, write down amount column by cash account received from debtors 16,000. Okay, understand? Next, cash received from debtors ಆಯ್ತು, bill honored over, opening bills receivable over. Next, bills receivable received during the year 16,000. When bill drawn, you already know the entry, bill receivable account debtor to debtors account. Please see bills receivable account debit side to sundry debtors account. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 sundry debtors ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ by bills receivable. Post ಮಾಡಿ credit side ಗೆ. By bills receivable account, how much? 16,000. Write in bracket received from debtors during the trading period. Completed. Next, bills receivable received over. Okay, next entry, closing bills receivable ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Next, bad dates written off. When bad dates written off entry, bad dates to debtors account. Okay, write in credit side by bad dates, how much? 1,000. Completed. Bad dates 1,000. Finished. Next item, write down closing debtors. Okay, ಈ closing debtors entry ಮಾಡೋ ಮೊದಲು please see bills receivable account. Okay, one entry already recorded credit side. Please see credit side, please see credit side. Credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ by center creditors ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. Yes. Next, write down closing debtors 18,000. Write down by balance carried down 18,000. Completed? Yes. We recorded everything. Next, find out which side shows more balance. Okay, credit side shows more balance 16,000 plus 16,032 plus 1,033 plus 18,000 51,000. Check it. Yes, 51,000 credit side, 51,000 debit side. 51,000 minus 15,000. How much? Is it 36,000? Check it. Yes, 36,000. Okay. Difference in debtors account treated as credit sales. Understand? When credit sales made entry, debtors account debtor to sales account. Write in bracket credit sales. Again write in bracket balancing figure. Write down two sales, credit sales 36,000. Okay. Now we computed credit sales 36,000. Next, find out total sales. Write down total sales equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Next line equal to cash sales given in the problem 25,000 plus we now computed credit sales 36,000. Write down 36,000. Total it how much? Rupees 61,000. Okay, what is this 61,000? Total sales. These are some information relating to problem number 3. Thank you.